Okay. 5 little. Do it loud. 5 little. Jumping on the one fell and his mama called and the doctor said
No. Ma.
Jumping on the very good. Should we do more? Okay. All done? Do you want to do a different song? You are my sunshine. Old MacDonald? You say it. Should we do that? Okay. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow?
No.
Chicken?
No.
What?
Pig.
What?
Cock.
Turkey? A turkey? E-I-E-I. With what does a turkey say? Gobble, 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 gobble. Is that what he says? Yeah? Okay. E-I-E-I.
No.
No? No more? You want to sing something? No? Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.